that we are not Ghanaians. I am not stealing. I am not an armed robber. I am not a thief. I am also a Ghanaian.
Abuja from Mamu Nyina Makwaba at the Ghana and Sem TV so. But I'm on this like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major also. For you need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be na the be a mechanism be say amanya some ye no. So what money under wa ho be chelo pa. The moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President. Mommy enko is here.
Stephen Ay3
Allegedly, that is what he said. Said there's a system he belongs. I have it on record. I have it on recording. He said that I have it on record that there's a system he belongs, and the system will not betray him. The system will not give him out in this country. Meaning, however, that we are not Ghanaians. I am not stealing. I am not an armed robber. I am not a thief. I am also a Ghanaian. My church members are Ghanaian. So if they are doing this to us in this country, why do they want us to go? I see focus in South Africa. What is happening in Amranya is more than South Africa. What is happening there, being beaten by police officers and langas are joined together to drive us away on the land, demolish everything, and give it to government officials, allegedly, give it to police officers, allegedly. So what they want me to do in this country, they should tell me. They should tell me. And one thing they said is I should not get close to the land. The police officer said I should not get close to the land. If I get close to the land, that day I was wearing white. So they told me if I get close to the land, they will come and carry me with the white in blood. That is what they told me. Wow. That is what they told me. That is why I decided not to go to any office again. Let me go to the IGP. Let me go to the president. So I went to the president. I went to Jubilee House. I was looking for him to talk to him. People said I should wait. I should go and write a letter to him before I see him. I said no. That moment I'll be writing the letter, my life is not guaranteed. So they should allow me to see the president. That was when they showed me a video that he's not in the country. The reason I went to the IGP and the reason I went to the president was the fact that these people are threatening me and all that, and nobody is answering. If something happened to me in this country right now, they should ask Jato. If something happened to me in this country right now, they should ask Jolly Holmes. If something happened to me in this country, they should ask Ghana police. Because they have threatened me and nobody is ready to call them to attention. I'm surprised. I'm surprised that human beings, a group of people, can rise in a country that no law works. I'm surprised.
Okay.
Na nimpa hunu na mi nim no ba mu wogidie woni mu se obeba bebia ma me eni ntina asantefo to aba ede ma MPP ayi ede ma ndc ba power into when this wo ba power no main purpose main target ne necessary afarwa military hospital no oba finishing within 1 year. Now what the amasantefo to gain their mentality. Any GDA now what gain one mentality, what gain one GDA, one when you receive ni GDA at the amount where in this government. And Sessa Robert now in the first place, I'm a 1.5 years now back. Also yenja NDC for because one more by 1.5 years ni. Sikana one more day kwa 24 hours economy market no. Sa sikana yebit me atam e dia commission sa afarowa military hospital no e dia magana for. Ada woni project da ho. Wonye wo so wo kokate another project. How? Wo project da ho wonye. Aka krane wawie. Wo si magaya to ho. Kwa kokate another sword. Ebe sha se dey one. Yey. When na ekwa America e wo park so. A o say wadi kan o onu no di kan o di first. But first no o say mempe biem. Mempe first no. But me jam first na madi no na maba be di last. Na maba be sha se foforo. What be that? What it look like tuna ye to aba editia honorable Kennedy Japan no ase ya kakra wonimu eni nti na ode kasa no because say ya eni honorable Kennedy Japan mu a na the fact and the truth I say honorable Kennedy Japan e catch na this government and say Ghana for na jide wo mu it make sure say what commissions our hospital ne dia masante for and the Ghana for. At that moment, I will bet now my MPP. A baba demonstration the same. And yet here when this government will fail it. Because a Juma go the necessary way. And the honorable Canadian Japan Becca say, I end this MPP for by 8 years. One commission into be about 1.5 years a yenja woman and in Ghana dinner so to about this MPP. So that is your responsibility as NDC to commission the hospital for Asante region, for Asante people, any Ghana for. Masa, only a hospital, only a hospital no. 1.5 years penny on GP. What's a 1.5 on GP on DD? Maybe so on GP, on DD. Sikabe no time yes or the kwa start 24 hours economy market ni sikabe no time ye. Sa sika yentimi yi enfan finishes our hospital na. Enti mistake a MPP ye no. That means all part say NDC sunye the same thing and yes ah. Kofo na sha ase. O sha ase na NDC for beto aso wo mu awie. And NDC for so free so NMPP abeto aso wo mu so awie. And na when NDC wa ba finish no.
Mujene da ono. Si mu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bomi aye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections ayeko. E no ma Dr. Bomi e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na meyama mo na. Busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi compound, go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look at say hospitals and it goes on and no me say. It is a Canadian saying and no man in Abaya. check scan kwa kaya de wasa botumi wo say oh I say wo say people for akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate am say o be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na tani afi dem keke mu kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho chief imam for nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho politicians nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina e ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete neze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yanketenkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kwa ni obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open konketenkete isi enya mo den you people chose policy you people chose music over policy then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire radio ndama Mahama say o mema was come to butu wana ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se daddy digitalization and to kinki ntimo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo mamu kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de radio ndama Mahama ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kwa de menu na to me hu letter bi a yoko for chro ye eba council of state member Buta region na me se fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwa ni letter na was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order ama nam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you say dependent boy.
O si sa asem na. Listen for the first time. Nam one and kwa pe baby akwakoda na and nam one. Yes. Na che say, was in no kura dwiri ni say state institution we intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone anoni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply good no over 75%. Omo koso na se mentem ho ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mo bi o mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the also by us say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite in our my no issue document say we fugitive. Jane. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
No, me see the member who know what the very soon who recording is a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my